Tummy time, a fun path to growth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that is not only adorable but also very important for the little ones: tummy time. Whether you're a parent, a caregiver, or simply curious, stay tuned to learn all about it. Tummy time refers to the moments a baby spends awake and lying on their stomach. It's a crucial activity for infants that doctors and pediatricians strongly recommend. Why, you ask? It's because tummy time is key to developing motor skills and muscle strength. Let's dive into why it's so beneficial for babies. Tummy time has a host of advantages. It helps babies strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles, promotes better motor skills, and prevents the back of their head from becoming flat. This time on their tummy lays the foundation for future movements like rolling over, sitting up, and eventually crawling. Practicing tummy time is simple. First, find a flat, comfortable surface. Lay a blanket down, and then place your baby on their stomach. It's important to always supervise during tummy time. You can make it more engaging by placing toys around them or laying down in front to interact. Sometimes, babies may resist tummy time, but don't worry, we have tips to make it enjoyable. Start with short periods, just a few minutes, and gradually increase as your baby gets more comfortable. Use colorful toys to catch their attention, and try different times of the day to see when your baby is most receptive. You might wonder when the right time to start tummy time is. The answer is quite simple: as soon as possible. Usually, you can begin a few days after the baby is born, starting with just a minute or two and increasing the duration as they grow older and stronger. And that's a wrap on tummy time. It's an adorable and essential part of a baby's development, and now you know all about it. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, every little bit of tummy time counts in building a strong and happy baby. Until our next video, keep learning and smiling.